construction, schedules are tight and teams are overstretched. With so much on the line, you need to get the most out of each and every day. Maximizing productivity is about scaling to do more faster. Welcome to the new era of construction productivity. Welcome to PlanGrid, a living record set that uses the power of machine learning and mobile technology to sync documents and data, bringing teams and information together. Where updates by one can be seen by all instantly. Where teams respond in real time and report from anywhere. Where every minute saved helps deliver projects on time and under budget. No more pointless trips to the trailer, just easy-to-use software that puts the entire project in everyone's hands. By connecting and mobilizing teams, the history of the project is captured at every stage, with data that will be used for decades. PlanGrid is technology that builders love and rely on, that scales to the biggest mega projects and remote locations. The world's top builders trust PlanGrid to work better, solve better.